Hello everyone. My name is Sanya Princess Joy M from CEIT 03303P. So, today, let's take a look at the Java Swing code na binuo ko for this activity. Ang focus natin ngayon is demonstrating the login security, specifically how we implement a 3-attempt limit and the dynamic behavior of Form 3. So, let's check out the code. So, this is my code. First, create a login form. This is implemented using the main combine login app class, which is extends JFrame and set up the basic window with JText field for the user and JPassword field for the password and a login button. So, here's the combined login app na nag-extend sa JFrame. Yan. Tapos, ito naman yung sinasabi na yung JText field, user field, tapos JPassword field, pass field, so JButton. So, second, yung user and password. User account and the password account. So, for that, we set a hard-coded valid user. So, ito siya. Valid user, and we also use valid pass. So, hard-coded. Next is the security features, which is we use a integer variable, which is yung login attempt. We use that variable para to initialize to 0 and a constant max attempts set to 3. Yan. Na if a login is unsuccessful, we increment login attempts. We update the attempts label in the GUI to show the current counts. So, dito siya. Wait lang. Dito siya. Dito siya makikita. Ito yun. Yung attempt label. Tapos, if a login attempts reaches max attempt 3, a message is shown and the program terminates using exit 0. So, dito siya mati-terminate. Itong exit, ay itong system exit pala. Dito siya mati-terminate. So, and if successful naman, ito naman yung lalagpas sa atin kapag successful yung paglalagin natin sa form. So, lalabas din yung login successful, tas proceed to form 3. Instead na ma-terminate, it creates and shows the form 3 frame and closes the login window using the this pose. So, instead na mata-terminate yung yung login form, hindi siya mata-terminate, magko-close lang siya dahil dito. Then, papasok na yung form 3 frame, which is ito. Papasok na to sa sa code or sa layout. So, for this naman, for this part, it implements the food selection and it uses a dynamic or two-step process controlled by a card layout. So, ito siya. Yun nga, yung form 3 frame. Itong form 3 frame na to, ayan yung static class na nag-handle ng form 3. Tapos, yung card layout, ginagamit natin siya sa card panel to create two distinct screens or steps, which is yung card food and yung card toppings. Then, after that, pupunta muna tayo sa main or sa step 1 ng form 3, which is yung radio button. dito food choices natin, which is pizza, pasta, and ice cream, na yun nga nag-implement ng radio button. These are the group using a button group to ensure that only one item can be selected at a time, fulfilling the radio button function. So, for our next naman is yung next button. When the user click next, we first check if any radio button is selected. If not, an error message appear. Kapag hindi na select or hindi tayo nakaselect sa radio button, meron mag-appear na error. So, kailangan muna natin mag-select bago tayo mag-proceed sa second part ng step na to, which is yung sa toppings. So, if nakaselect naman na tayo ng sa radio button, magpo-proceed na tayo sa set of toppings panel method. This method is the key to dynamic punctuality, which is here. Toppings. The set of toppings panel method dynamically populates the dynamic checkboxes panel based on the food item chosen in step 1. For example, pinili natin yung pizza. It populates the panel with checkboxes for cheese, pineapple, pepperoni, and mushroom. Ang naman dito, like, mapupunta tayo sa another set or sa another page, pero dito naman mapupunta tayo dun sa toppings part. So, mamimili tayo dito sa cheese, pineapple, pepperoni, and mushroom. Ipinili natin yung pizza. So, J checkbox is used because the required states you can select multiple toppings. After setup, the card layout switches the view to card toppings. So, for the last naman is yung termination. When click, it shows a confirmation message that the order has been submitted and then terminates the entire application using system exit O. So, ito yung message na matatanggap natin kapag pinindot natin yung submit and termination. Tapos, yun nga, mata-terminate siya dahil dito sa system exit. And that's all for this code. So, let's proceed to demonstrate how this system work or the output of this program, kung paano nagwo-work yung output ng program na to. So, yan. So, dito, itatry muna natin i-attempt yung 3 to. Itatry natin i-attempt to. Itatry natin tong i-attempt para makita natin kung ano yung lalabas sa dulo. So, hulaan muna natin to. So, yan. Ayun yung lalabas kapag nagkamali or mali yung ginamit nating user account or password. So, ulit. So, second attempt, ganun din. So, for our third attempt, ganun natin. So, ayan. Nag-max na tayo or na-reach na natin yung 3 attempts. So, yung program mata-terminate na. So, yan. Natapos na yung program. So, pupunta naman tayo tama naman yung ilalagay natin para mag-proceed tayo sa form 3. So, tama yung ilalagay natin. Lang. So, wait lang pala. Try natin pala palitan yung password tsaka yung natin kung gagana na papalitan natin siya. So, papalitan natin ito. So, yan. Then, tingnan natin kung gagana kapag pinalitan natin. So, Ngayon naman, titignan natin kung tama ba yung, di ba nagpalit tayo kanina ng password and user. So, titignan natin kung gagana yon yung pinalit natin dito. So, yan. So, yan. Then, yan. So, login yan. Login na natin successfully. Then, ayan, pipiliin natin muna is yung pizza. Though, pipiliin natin silang lahat para makita din natin yung differences pagdating sa next step. So, pipili muna tayo. Ay, try muna natin na in-next siya nang hindi nakakapili. So, ayan, nag-error siya. So, kailangan muna natin makapili. So, yan. So, pipili ako ng pizza muna. Then, next. So, ayan. Nandiyan yung mga toppings na pwede kong i-check. Sa checkbox din, yun. Pwede natin i-check lahat. Pwede natin ilagay yung mga toppings na yun sa pizza. So, unlike sa radio button, kailangan isa lang yung pipiliin. Dito, pwede naman lahat. So, nilagay natin lahat. Then yan. Ayan yung lalabas na message. Order submitted successfully. Program will now terminate as required. So, ano pa wala na? Admin. Tapos, Joy. Ay. Tapos, 1, 2, 3. So, yun. Nakabalik na tayo. So, form 3. So, pipiliin naman natin pasta. Next is, ayan yung mga pagpipilian. So, ilalagay din natin lahat. Yan. So, try natin i-submit. So, lumabas ulit yung message na yon. Then, OK. Then, ulit tayo. So, ayan, pipiliin naman natin dito is yung ice cream. So, select, then next, and yan, lalagay din natin lahat. Then, after that, submit, and yan. So, ayan. So, to conclude, we fulfill all the requirements of this activity. We implement a secure login with a 3-attempt limit. We successfully use radio buttons for a single choice and check boxes for multiple choice. All of this uses Java Swing components and it's designed for easy step-by-step user interaction. That's all. Thank you.